You made me remember of a video really about procrastination. I think it's quite a hot topic. This video was by Adam Grant. I'm not sure whether you saw it. It's quite a popular TED talk where basically he says that because we're speaking about creativity and all of these kind of things, and he says that if you are super eager to start something, you don't allow yourself or your mind enough time to think creatively about the problem that you have at hand. And that you are doing that because you want to avoid stress, which is good. On the other side, at the very far end, if you leave things till the very end, although that might add an element of stress through which you are able to work more effectively and efficiently under pressure, you are also causing a lot of stress which can be damaging.
Yes.
So there is what he calls, there's the Goldilocks zone in between, some place in between, and this differs for everyone. That's the right time between you have left enough time for your brain to settle on and the idea and to think creatively.
Think of alternatives.
Yes.
And
And then to take action without feeling stressed. So there is this space.
timing is everything. Timing is very important in terms of what you're saying, in terms of how you thought about something long enough to make sure it's the right decision, but then not overthinking or postponing it because you're waiting for the perfect time, because you might risk missing the boat. So I think in terms of timing, but also in terms of procrastination. So putting yourself under that severe stress because of deadlines, it's not good either. So I think, and again, this is where we feel, and we work in the educational space, that in some cases, through experiences, and that's why our programs are also all hands-on experiential learning, because I believe that is the best way to learn. Through textbooks, you get theory, but theory isn't always real when it comes to experiences. So
It's ideal.
it's the ideal,
It's the
right?
ideal.
But very few things are at their ideal stage. So I think the experiential learning is critical, because over there, people start realizing that, okay, when I feel a bit stressed, it's okay. I will get through, rather than just giving up. And it is a safe space for you to learn these things and experience. And if you fail, you move on. Later on in life, if society or your parents tried to give you everything on a silver plate because they feel responsibility that they want to give you the best life, sometimes it could be a disservice, because later on in life, not everything will be served on a silver plate, and you won't be equipped strongly enough to handle the mishaps, the inconveniences, the bad luck that you get in life. So I think, again, the experiential learning and putting students through challenges and problem solving helps build up that character that eventually you need. And this is not just for entrepreneurs, this is also for people working a 9-to-5 job. If you see all the statistics of what employers see lacking, is this sense of adaptability, resilience, perseverance. Because the technical skills you will learn.
Yeah.
If you put your mind to it, you will learn. But these skills take a bit longer. They need to become a habit.
This might sound a little bit weird. I think we live in excessive comfort, in the sense that we can only grow through discomfort, which is unfortunate, but it's true. So if there's no challenge, if there's no discomfort to what we're doing, we don't learn and we don't grow. And I very much agree with what you said about experiential learning, in the sense that I do lecture as well, and I've always been practical in my approach. So I do present the theory, but then I have to present a practical way of how you can apply it, and to understand the concept. So it's not about understanding the theory and how it falls together, one step, A, B, C, D, E, but rather than understanding the concept so that you can use it in a fluid way.
Exactly.
I think that is the most important thing to do, to understand the concept, and then you interpret it and you make it your own. And you might connect one theory to one framework and so on and so forth.